Hey guys, I've just got done watching the interview room inside Summer Wells' home, and I didn't want to wait till the morning to make this reaction video, and I am going to keep this brief because I made a long video this morning in response to the interview room's part one. Candus Wells at the swimming hole, and I talked a lot there about poverty, addiction, and the whole set of scenarios that there might have been. I'm not going to get into judging Candus and Don for living the way they live. That's not my place or anyone's place. Quite frankly, all I'm interested in with this case is what happened to Summer. And yeah, the players around it, the way that Hunter and Ali have portrayed things, the way that Don's behaving isn't helpful, both on Facebook, and he's giving inconsistent messages to different people that he's speaking to. It's not helping, but Candus, my heart breaks for Candus. Can I say she's not involved? No. Can I say Don's not involved? No. Although, I've said again and again and again and again, I don't feel when they speak. Although some things they say are inconsistent, Candus particularly, I think, has been more consistent than not. And as she walked Chris round the house, she could go through step by step by step what she did. If she was lying, I think what people do when they lie, they embellish, they add things on, unnecessary details, and then skirt away from other things. And I didn't see that in this interview at all. Maybe you did. Maybe you see something different to me. I didn't see that. She could go through step by step very spontaneously and answer all of Chris's questions. What you're seeing on the screen is they've just come out of the basement door, which is Summer's bedroom. Turn to the right as you come out of that door, and that's what you see. And if you could kind of go around the property a little bit, you get to Summer's swing. And that door cannot be seen from Grandma Candus's camper. It cannot be seen. Yet the road is literally kind of just beyond the tree line. So if someone had been snooping around the property, you've got to remember this is an 11-acre property. Someone could have been hanging out around there. There's so many places to hide. So I don't think the abduction scenario is off the cards at all. Do I think it's a random stranger abduction? No. They have to know this property's there, and they have to know there's kids there. I think the dog thing as well, I think that's been put to bed somewhat in that, yeah, they barked when he went up the driveway, but they were barking at the vehicle. They weren't barking at him, because when he got out, they didn't bark. There was like one bark, I think. With so many dogs on the property, my dogs bark more than that. They bark more than that at each other. And one of them's growling at another one now. They right on cue. So, oi, calm it down. She's grumbling. Can you hear the grumbling? I don't know whether the mic's picking up the grumbling. So the fact that somebody could have walked up that little hill from the roadway very, very easily, and have been hanging around there, even been hanging around there for days, who knows? And I think I'm going to go back to my original gut reaction. Could she have had an accident and they panicked? Yes, but I think the most likely scenario in my mind is my original gut reaction, in that this is some shady person who's been hanging around and has spied their chance and have taken her. Could I be wrong? Easily. No one knows, do they? No one knows. But I kind of don't know what else to say, honestly. There is another kind of story from their local news. Candus and Don have been in court today regarding their children being taken away, the 3 boys being taken away. They didn't want to be interviewed on camera. Candus said that it's an unrelated issue. They haven't been taken away because of the situation with Summer. So, yeah, really sad, but it's 6 weeks. 6 weeks now. So I think unless there's any more breaking news in the next couple of days, I'm going to give this case a rest and work on my What's video that I've been working on for a while. The next video you're most likely to see on this channel is one called Beyond a Reasonable Doubt on the What's case. Let me know what you think in the comments, and hope you're well. What a sad, sad, sad story. Bye, guys.